So, good morning. So, this is my output in the final exam in calculus. So, first question is a triangle has variable sides x, y, z subject to the constraint such that the perimeter is fixed to the 18 centimeter. What is the maximum possible area for the triangle? So, we have here so a triangle. Sorry, triangle sides of x, y, z. Now, in order to find the maximum possible area of the triangle, a triangle has to be equilateral, an equilateral triangle. So, the given here is that the perimeter is fixed to 18 centimeter. So we have x plus y plus z is equals to 18. Now, in order to find the measurement of the sides, we need to divide 18 by 3 because we have 3 sides. So 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Now we will find the area. A formula of area of an equilateral triangle is square root of 3 over 4 is equals to a squared. So, ang kaning A na to is mao na ni siya kaning 6. So, substitute ang value square root of 3 over 4 times 6 squared. So, the answer is 15.59 cubic centimeters. So 15.59 cubic centimeters. So the answer is A. Here it is. And second question. A farmer has enough money to build only 100 meters of fence. What are the dimensions of the field he can enclose the maximum area? So, ang formula nga itong gamitin ani meter is equals to x plus y times 2. Na ang 2 ato na lang baliktad. Plus y times 2 times then ang 2 ato na lang siyang i-distribute. So may mo na siyang 2x plus 2y. Now, ang perimeter na to is given naman. $100. So, we have 100 is equals to 2x plus 2y. Now, we have to find ang y. So, atong buhatan na ni is ang x ato siyang i-move diri, so may siyang 2y ato siyang i-balhin sa pita side. So 100 minus 2x, divide both sides by 2 para makancel siya diri. Mabili na lang is ang y. So we have 100 minus 2x divided by 2. So mura sa di siya so 100 divided by 2 is 50 and 2x divided by 2 is x. Cancel na siya. So our y is 50 minus x. So at ako lang nag-result sa 50 minus x. Y is equals to minus x. So, ang ato nang kuanan karon is ang area. So, atong i-substitute ang kanang value sa y. So, x times y, which is kanang 50 minus x. Distribute this here. We have 50x minus squared. Now, ato ni siyang i-derive. So, ang derivative of 50x is 50. And derivative of x squared is 2x. So, we have 50 2x nga ato ni siyang formula to 0. So, we will kanang transpose 2x to the kanang other side so that it will become positive. So, we have 2x is equals to 50. Now, divide both sides by 2 para makancel na siya because ang atong gipangita is x. So, x is equals to 50 divided by 2 is 25. So, nanatay x, ato anong pangitaan ng atong y, kani siya, kani. So, y is equals to 50 minus x, which is 25. Sorry. So, we have y is equals to 25. So, our answer is 25. What is the value again? Meters by 25 meters. So, atong answer is, is A, 25 by 25. Yeah. So, third question. Find the minimum amount of thin sheet that can be made into a closed cylinder having a volume of 108 cubic inches in square inches. So, atong answer ani is square inches. So, ang atong formula nga gamiton sa volume is V is equals to pi r squared h. Ang atong pangitaw na ni una na is ang h. Okay, so divide both sides by pi r squared. So we have h is equals to p, which is 108 all over pi r squared. So, now, natani. Aton isolve ang area niya. Ato lang siyang ikuan. H equals to 108 all over pi r squared. So, ang formula sa atong area is 2 pi rh plus pi r squared times 2. Ako na lang i-distribute daan. 2 pi r squared. So, ato nang i-substitute ang value sa h. So, 2 pi rh, which is 108 all over pi r squared, plus 2 pi r squared. Now, sunod na to bahaton ani sa ato ni siya kaning i-simplify kaning siya diri. Oops. Sorry. So we have 216 r all over r plus 2 pi r squared. Ang sunod na tong buhaton is ato ning i-derive kani siya nga equation. So we have 216 all over r plus 2 pi r squared. So next is i-derive na nato sila. Kani siya, ato na siya gamitan og product rule. So derivative is equals to r derivative of 216. This is 1 minus 216 derivative of r all over dr r squared plus nasa siya 2 pi derivative of r squared. Ano siya i-derive? So ang r, ang derivation sa 216 is 0 minus 216 derivation dr over dr is equals to 1. Ano lang mo? This is equals to 1 all over r squared plus 2 pi derivation of r squared is 2r, 2 minus 1. So ato ni siyang i-simplify further. Simplify further, so siya i-rewrite. So derive na to siya. R multiplied by 0 is 0 na. And so we have negative 216 all over r squared plus ato gawas naman na siya. So we have 2 times 2 is 4 pi r. Okay, so ang next na itong buhaton i-create nito 0. So ibalhin nyo na ito kani siya to the theta side, other side, so that it becomes positive. 116 all over r squared is equals to 4 pi r. Ato siyang i-cross multiply. Ay mo din siyang r cube may mo ito siyang r cube, divide both sides by 4 pi. So we have r cube is equals to 216 all over 4 pi. So after ato nang i-solve r cube equals to 216 4 pi so 216 over 4 pi is equals to 17.1887335. Now because napa may cube, ato ni siyang i-cube root. So ang cube root ano niya, cancel na siya, so r na lang. So ang cube root ani nga value is 2.58 inches. So after atong makuha na nato ang r, ato na itong i-solve gamit ang katong h. Ato nang i-substitute ang values sa h, so 38 pi r squared, or ako na lang siyang 2.58 squared. So ang h na to is 5.164 inches. So nanatay h and nanasad tay r, which is ani 2.58. So ato ni siyang i-substitute na values sa katong formula sa area. So area is equals to 2 pi r, which is 2.58, h, which is 5.164, plus 2 pi r squared. 2.58 squared. Na imo nang i-input tanan sa inyong calculator, and the result is 125.53 cubic inches squared inches. So this is our final answer. So next question. So a box to be constructed from a piece of zinc 20 square inches by cutting equal squares from a box is to be constructed from a piece of zinc 20 square inches by cutting equal squares from each corner and turning up the zinc to form the side. What is the volume of the largest box that can be constructed? So ato ni siyang i-visualize. So we have box and mag-cut sila o squares sa each corner. So wala may value nga gihatag, ato ni silang i-mark og x. Now because ang length ani niya, it says here na 20 square inches. So this is 20. Na may duha ka x. So atong aray ni siya diri 20 minus 2x. Same sad siya diri nga side, 20 minus 2x. Okay? So itong formula ni is 20 minus 2x squared times x. Okay, so atong i-distribute ang ato ni siyang i-kuan day. Mahog naman ni siya ngayong ani. 20 times 20 is 400. Yeah. 20 times 2x is 40. 1 is 40x. 2x, 2x times 20 is 40x na po. 1 is 40x. And negative 2x times negative 2x is positive 4x. I-multiply pa rin natin sila. Oops. Squared. X. And i-simplify pa sa din natin siya. Kay makuhaan mo na siya. Like term siya. So, ay mo na siya. 400x. Kani makuhaan mo na siya. So, mo na siya 80x. May distributan pa siya x. So, squared plus 4x. May distributan siya x. Cube. So, mo ni siya ang atong v. Nakatok pa ni siya ang i-derive. So, kasi siya equal. Okay. Oh, sorry. 100x minus 80x squared plus 4x cube. Now, ato ni siyang i-derive. So, ang derivations of 400x is kana 400 na lang. Minus, ang derivation sa 80x squared is ang x squared ang x squared kay katong power rule. So 2x na ni siya. 80 times 2 is 160. So ang mahibilan na lang niya is 160x plus same goes ani gamitan ni siya power rule. So manaog niya ang 3 may mo coefficient mukawas sa ang 4. Yeah, ang kanin siya minusan og 1. So we have ang derivation anis niya is 3x squared. Now atong i-multiply ang mga coefficient. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 12x squared. Na, mga siya. Ito yung ibalhin ng quadrant. So, now true ka ng factoring. May nganin dito na to. 4x minus 40. 3x minus 10. Ito na siya. So, 4x is equals to 40. Ito siya ito ibalin diri. Ito na siya tagsa-tagsaon kanikan. 40 is divide both sides by 4. So, our x sa kani is 10. Sa kani siya 3x is equals to 10. Divide both sides by 3. X is equals to 3.33. Now, mamili tanin nila. Now, x is kanang impossible because kanang this is our square. Katang siya mga square sa corners. 20 we ani diri. So, meaning ang 10 na value naa siya diri dapita. So, meaning ang if 10 ang ikat, ari siya diri. So, ang atong piliyon is ang 33. 3.33 rather. Okay, so, ato na siyang katong napili na itong value, ato na siyang i-substitute sa itong formula. So, 20 minus to x na atong napili, which is 3.33 squared multiplied by 3.33. So, ang atong answer ni, kung ano siya calculator, is 192.59 cubic inches. So, muna na siya atong final answer. Next, a poster is to contain 300 centimeters square of printed matter with margins of 10 centimeter at the top and bottom and 5 centimeter at each side. Find the overall dimensions if the total area of the poster is minimum. Okay? So, mag-drawing tag-visual na pod. Ano siya? Ano din ang poster? So, ang poster in total is a given 300 centimeters squared. Ang top and bottom is 10 and each side is 5. So, ano na siya? Formula na gamitin is x plus 10 and y plus 20. Nakato siyang i-simplify. xy, x times y is xy, x times 20 is 20x, 10 times y is 10y, and 10 times 20 is 200. Okay, so ito na siya timanan kaning formula. So, kung ano to ang area na sa poster. So, ang area sa poster is xy is equals to 300. Now, in order para makita na to ang y, divide na to siya x. So, mahimong kanina lang siya y is equals to 300 over x. So, okay. So, area. So, muna to siya atong y. So, ato ninyo siyang i-substitute sa mga value nga na atong formula nga kung isa ito na. So, x, itong kanin, xy plus 20x plus 10y plus 200. So, ato nang i-substitute ang y sa 193. Ito yung value. So, x times y, which is 300 over x, plus 20x, plus 10y, which is 300 over x, plus 200. Cancel na yung x. So, ang mabili na to is 300 plus 20x plus 3,000 over x plus 200. Now, since ang 200 ug ang 300 is like terms, ito na siyang i-add. Simplify pa. So, 500 plus 20x plus 3,000 all over x. Now, ang ato ni siyang i-derive. Derivation over x. So, ang derivation of 500 is 0 na. So, wala na siya. Ang derivation of 20x is 20 na lang. Plus, ito na siya gamit ang product rule. X derivative of 3,000 x x derivative of 3000 with respect to x minus 3000 derivative of x with respect to x all over x squared. So, ang derivative of 3000 is 0, so we have 20 plus x equal 0 minus 3000 multiplied by 1 because dx over dx is 1 naman siya, all over x. Ano siya makita? X squared. So I will rewrite this correctly. X squared. So kanimo wag tang naman yang 1 kay 0 naman na siya. So we have negative 3000 x over x squared plus 20 equal to 0. So ato ni ibalhin ang kani siya sa kaninga side para ma-positive siya. So we have 3000 all over x squared is equals to equals to 20. Now i-cross multiply nato siya. 3000 is equals to 20 x squared. Divide both sides by 20. So we have x squared is equals to 3000 divided by 2. 3000 divided by 2 is 150. Now ato pa siyang i-square root since na pa may square ang x. Makancel na siya. So, square root of 150 is 12.24. So, hina naman tayo x. Aton itong isolve ang katong y is equals to 300 over x. Ito na yung substitute ng value. So, ang x na to is, again, 12.24. So, ang atong y is equals to 24.5. Because na naman tayo x, which is 12.24, and na tayo y, 24.5. Ato na siyang i-substitute sa katong formula sa area. So, area is equals to x, which is 12.24 plus 10 times y, which is 24.5 plus 20. So 12.24 plus 10 is 22.24. And 24.5 is 44.5. So, muna ni siya atong final answer. Final answer na to is 22.24 cm by 44.5 cm. So, muna ni siya ang atuang final answer.